Question 1. What is Amazon Augmented AI, A2I? The correct answer is B, Human Review Service for ML Predictions. Question 2. What does A2I provide? The correct answer is B, Human-in-the-Loop Workflows. Question 3. What is Human-in-the-Loop? The correct answer is B, Humans review and validate ML predictions. Question 4. Does A2I work with Amazon Textract? The correct answer is B, yes, review document analysis results. Question 5. Does A2I work with Amazon Rekognition? The correct answer is B, yes, review image moderation results. Question 6. Can A2I work with custom ML models? The correct answer is B, yes, any ML model via API. Question 7. What is a human review workflow? The correct answer is B, defines when and how humans review predictions. Question 8. What is a flow definition? The correct answer is B, configuration for human review workflow. Question 9. What triggers a human review? The correct answer is B, low confidence scores or sampling conditions. Question 10. Can you set confidence thresholds? The correct answer is B, yes, trigger review below threshold. Question 11. What is a work team? The correct answer is B, group of workers who perform reviews. Question 12. What worker types are supported? The correct answer is B, private, vendor, public, mechanical Turk. Question 13. Can you use private workforce? The correct answer is B, yes, your own employees. Question 14. Can you use vendor workforce? The correct answer is B, yes, third-party vendors. Question 15. Can you use Amazon Mechanical Turk? The correct answer is B, yes, public workforce. Question 16. What is a human loop? The correct answer is B, individual review task sent to workers. Question 17. Can you customize the review UI? The correct answer is B, yes, using worker task templates. Question 18. What is a worker task template? The correct answer is B, HTML template for review interface. Question 19. Does A2I provide pre-built templates? The correct answer is B, yes, for Textract and Rekognition. Question 20. Can you create custom templates? The correct answer is B, yes, using liquid templating language. Question 21. What is the liquid templating language? The correct answer is B, template syntax for custom UI. Question 22. Can workers provide annotations? The correct answer is B, yes, labels, bounding boxes, text. Question 23. Can you track review progress? The correct answer is B, yes, via A2I console and APIs. Question 24. Where are review results stored? The correct answer is B, Amazon S3. Question 25. Can you retrieve review results? The correct answer is B, yes, from S3 or via API. Question 26. Does A2I integrate with SageMaker? The correct answer is B, yes, review SageMaker model predictions. Question 27. Can you use A2I for data labeling? The correct answer is B, yes, human labeling workflows. Question 28. Can you use A2I for quality control? The correct answer is B, yes, validate ML output quality. Question 29. Can you audit review decisions? The correct answer is B, yes, all reviews are logged. Question 30. Does A2I support multi-worker review? The correct answer is B, yes, multiple workers per task. Question 31. Can you set consensus requirements? The correct answer is B, yes, require agreement among workers. Question 32. What is sampling? The correct answer is B, review random percentage of predictions. Question 33. Can you configure sampling rates? The correct answer is B, yes, percentage of tasks to review. Question 34. Does A2I provide worker metrics? The correct answer is B, yes, accuracy and performance metrics. Question 35. Can you monitor workflow performance? The correct answer is B, yes, via CloudWatch metrics. Question 36. Does A2I integrate with EventBridge? The correct answer is B, yes, trigger actions on review completion. Question 37. Can you automate post-review actions? The correct answer is B, yes, using EventBridge and Lambda. Question 38. Is worker data encrypted? The correct answer is B, yes, encryption at rest and in transit. Question 39. Can you use IAM for access control? The correct answer is B, yes, IAM policies for A2I resources. Question 40. Does A2I support VPC? The correct answer is B, yes, private workforce in VPC. Question 41. Can you delete human loop data? The correct answer is B, yes, delete from S3. Question 42. What is the Start Human Loop API? The correct answer is B, Initiate Human Review Task. Question 43. What is the Describe Human Loop API? The correct answer is B, Get Status and Results of Review. Question 44. What is the List Human Loops API? The correct answer is B, List All Human Review Tasks. Question 45. Can you stop a human loop? The correct answer is B, yes, using Stop Human Loop API. Question 46. Does A2I support batch processing? The correct answer is B, yes, process multiple predictions. Question 47. Can you integrate A2I with custom applications? The correct answer is B, yes, using APIs and SDKs. Question 48. What is A2I pricing based on? The correct answer is B, per human review task completed. Question 49. Are there charges for worker payments? The correct answer is B, separate from A2I service fees. Question 50. What are common use cases for A2I? The correct answer is B, content moderation, document review, quality assurance. How many did you get right? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.